Go!
Okay, are we ready to sail the world?
Yes.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Aye, aye, Captain.
I like it. So, let's see. Rachel, I'm just gonna get you to stand on the bedside with Ben. Perfect. So, what color sailboat do you want? We have a red sailboat, blue, yellow, and purple. So I
want red sailboat, please.
there you go.
I want the blue sailboat, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
Perfect. So, how we play this game, Sail Around the World, is we will roll a dice, and whatever number you get to move that many spaces. So if I roll a 4, I can move 4 spaces. But the catch is they have to tell us what direction we're going in. So Rachel, roll the die, please. We have a 6. So Rachel could say, I want to go 6 spaces north, or I want to go 6 spaces south. If you want to go in every direction, you can divide up your 6 spaces into different moves. So I want to go 2 spaces north, 3 spaces east, and 1 space north. Okay? And how do we win the game? If you get to every single continent, you win the game.
Mm-hmm.
Simple as that. Oh, one more thing. Once we reach every continent, you have to say, I have sailed to Africa, or I have sailed to Europe. So let's hear.
I have sailed to Europe.
Perfect. Let's get ready to sail. Ben, you can go first.
Okay. Where do I start?
Oh, yes. Well, we are going to start at the bottom.
Okay. Mm-hmm. 3.
3.
I want to say one
Space north.
space north.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
I
I found Antarctica.
Perfect.
Nice. Okay.
So we'll give you a blue tick.
And I want to sail 2 spaces east.
East. Great.
1, 2. Okay.
Rachel, go ahead.
Let's tick tack here.
4.
So,
I want to sail to 2 spaces. No, 1 space north.
okay. Good. Yeah.
And 1 space east.
Perfect.
I found Antarctica.
Good. And you have 2 spaces left.
I want to sail 2 spaces north.
Perfect. And we keep continuing this process until someone has sailed to all 7 continents, or if you run out of time, whoever has the most continents sailed to, they win. Have fun sailing.
Bye.
Bye.